Hi everyone and namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Siri, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Namaste. स्वागत छ यहाँलाई Cooking with Siri च्यानलमा र मेरो च्यानल सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला, साथै भिडियो लाइक र शेयर गर्न पनि नबिर्सिनु होला। त्यसको साथसाथै बेल आइकन दबाउन पनि नबिर्सिनु होला। र आज म बनाउन जाँदै छु carrot soup. So let's start. So I'm going to make a carrot soup. So first thing is ingredients: pepper, salt, and 3 carrots medium size, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 onion medium size, and 1 small size of potato. Potato is optional. So now we'll turn on the gas. Okay. Oil, I'm going to put 2 spoons of oil. And now I'm going to put chopped garlic and onion. Stir it. You need to cook onion and garlic in 2 minutes. Nearly done. Okay, now I'm going to put carrots and potatoes. Like I said, the potato is optional. You can skip that as well. It will help to make the soup thicker. That's why I'm using it. Now I'm going to put salt, 1 tablespoon. And cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's nearly done. I'm going to add some water, half a cup of water. And then I'm going to put the lid on. And let the whistle come, 4 to 5 whistle, and it takes 5 minutes to cook. It's been 5 minutes. Let's see. Okay, it's fully cooked. Now we will leave it for 5 minutes to let it cool down, and then we will blend it. Okay, it's cooled down. Now I'm going to blend it. It looks like this. So I'm going to pour it in the saucepan. Really creamy, nice, yummy soup. I'm going to add half a cup of water, so the soup will not be too thick. So again, half a cup of water. It's ready. Turn on the gas. Looks like this. It's really creamy. And now we can put some pepper, black pepper. Soup is ready. Okay, I'm gonna put it in a bowl. Really tasty, yummy soup. You can garnish with little bit of cream, double cream, like this. I hope you like this. If you enjoyed watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my video, and don't forget to press the bell icon, and you can see all the ingredients below the video, and I hope you like it. आशा छ यहाँहरुलाई मैले आज बनाएको गाजरको सुप राम्रो लाग्यो होला। यहाँहरु पनि ट्राई गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ र मेरो च्यानल सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला र भिडियो लाइक र शेयर पनि गर्नु होला। त्यसको साथसाथै बेल आइकन पनि दबाउन नबिर्सिनु होला। आशा छ अवश्य पनि यहाँले बनाउनु हुनेछ र यहाँको समयलाई मलाई यति समय दिएर यतिका बेर हेरिदिनु भयो त्यसको लागि धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। And see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.